What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys didn't know by now, my name is Josh, also known as OOSKicks, and today we are here at the shops in Montebello, and we are going to take you on a little tour as we sell about $6,000 worth of shoes to a shoe store. I wanted to show you kind of a resale shop that's out here, kind of give them a little bit more exposure as well. If you're in the neighborhood, go check them out. So first of all, I want to say a big shout out to my guy Ian Wong. We met up through Facebook, a solid deal, and I kind of just want to show you exactly how we execute this deal and kind of, you know, get paid out and make sure everything is legit. So I'll take you around this little tour and let me know if you guys like this content, like it, subscribe to us, and join the family. Appreciate y'all. Hold up. Say what's up to the camera, guys.
What's up, guys? Keep it close so nobody does it.
Yeah. Do they check? All right, so this is what we do. Basically, Ian set us up with his with some of his workers, and they're bringing it straight to the shop. The shop is called Sidewalk, right? Yeah. So it's Sidewalk. I believe was it Sidewalk LA before?
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's Sidewalk. We're straight into Montebello Mall. They got the shoes with us, and we're gonna go and see how they do it in terms of their store, and then kind of bring you along with the process. So. Usually when we make a deal, we like to be there when they check all the shoes so that they can, you know, make sure everything's legit, make sure everything that we had agreed on is on paper and everything's good and legit. So what he's doing now, Ian's workers are now just kind of making sure everything is there, and we'll go ahead and finalize the deal from there. So all right, so yeah, as you can tell, what they're doing is making sure everything's legit. Especially like with the unreleased stuff, it's hard to know like where you're getting it from, where you source it at. So you can kind of see how from a store's perspective is that you got to know exactly what you're selling, because if this goes to a customer and ends up being fraudulent or fake, that could be a big problem on your store. So what he's doing right now, if you look at him, he's checking out all the different details of it, especially on a grade school pair. So pretty good to see, especially if it's unreleased. So.
2 5-ways.
How many?
I'm Ethan. I'm the other owner of the store.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you,
so
man.
I did a deal with Ian. This is Ethan. So they both run the store, Sidewalk. It was Sidewalk LA before, right?
Yeah, so it used to be Sidewalk LA,
Okay.
and then we got the username just Sidewalk, so we're just Sidewalk now.
I'm gonna ask you a quick question. How old are you?
I'm 19.
Bro,
Yeah.
do you hear that? They're 19 years old running a store. That's crazy, bro. I'm like 10 years older than them, and I'm selling. Like, that's what the game is today. So you guys gotta understand, like, especially in a storefront like this in a mall, like that's the best place to be, right? How's business?
It's picking up now that it's holidays.
Yeah.
So like in the beginning of the year it's a little slow, but then holidays a lot of people come in, so which is good.
Did you start off as a Instagram seller and then you went off to create your own store?
Yeah. So like throughout high school, I sold like Supreme, like shoes like here and there, but then I didn't go like fully into sneaker reselling about like a year ago. Yeah. And then I met Ian, and then we decided to come together and like open a shoe store. Yeah,
because I saw Ian just like selling off like Facebook. And then I think he hit me up. He's like, "Oh, I'm opening up a store." I was like, "Oh, dope! One day I'll sell to you," as a joke. And then I'm here, so that's pretty dope to see. Yeah, what's your IG, bro?
It's we're at Sidewalk is our store, and then it's OOSKicks.LA for my personal like side page. Yeah, but I don't really post on there anymore. It's all full focus towards the store. Yeah.
Okay. What is your best seller in the store? Let's just say that.
I'd probably say like black and white dunks. It's like a very versatile shoe.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So the pandas have been restocking like every other week, I like to say.
Yeah.
But
it's very often.
But the resale on that's always going to be good, over like 300 around there, especially if you have a store. It's up. So appreciate you, Ethan.
Yeah. Thank you very much, man. It was nice meeting you again, bro.
Definitely.
Appreciate it.
All right. Ethan's just doing one final check, make sure everything is good, and then he'll confirm with us just to make sure that we can secure it.
It's all good.
All right, bro. Appreciate you, man. Let me get a picture, though.
Yeah, of course.
19 years old, bro. You telling me? 19? Come on. basically just wraps up a small little vlog that we wanted to show you. We're resellers, we don't have a storefront, but you got people that are buying here. Remember, maximize on the people that you sell to, utilize your networks, and know that everybody is gonna buy a shoe depending on what it is. Sometimes there's parts in life where you don't sell shoes, you don't sell your product, but at the end of the day, you keep it pushing, you keep it going, and it'll pick up one day. So you don't have to have a store, you could just be selling off Instagram, YouTube, off of eBay, anything. Just keep your hustle on and keep going. So hope you guys like this content. I appreciate y'all. Remember, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and smash that like button, because that's what we're going for. 2022, appreciate y'all, we love y'all. And always remember, y'all, stay in stock with OOSKicks. Peace!